So as you already know that we were discussing regarding to the counters, okay? So we can make the counters by making the use of synchronous as well as asynchronous circuits, okay? So synchronous and synchronous are those circuits which run on the same clock pulse, where asynchronous circuits are those circuits which run on the different clock cycles. All right, so if you have n flip flop, it means you can maximum 2 raised to the power n. Okay, 4 flop is flip flop is there, to 2 raised to the power 4 is equal to 16 states are there. Okay, so according to your use, according to your need, you can design whatever the counter you can design. Okay, from synchronous you can up, down और एनी सीक्वेंस. ओके, एनी सीक्वेंस, कोई सा भी सीक्वेंस का बना सकते हो इससे सिंक्रोनस से. असिंक्रोनस में है ना, सिर्फ आप अप बना सकते हैं या डाउन बना सकते हैं, आप सब कोई नहीं बना सकते हैं. All right, so now what actually happening, suppose you are up counter means 0 to suppose 3 bit counter is there. Okay, so it will go 0 to 1 1 1. So this is called up counter from 0 to 1, 0 to 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Okay, like this is the up counter is there. Okay, but if you put some NAND and or NOR circuit in between them, okay, even you can use the XOR and any other logic gates, what you can put, you can make mode 5 6 7, whatever the mode you want to make in between them. Okay, so whatever your stage is, maximum 16 stage is possible. So for by making the use of the 4 flip flop, you can use if and NAND gate, whatever you will use logic gate, you can terminate within the limit of these maximum possible state. Okay, all right, so before starting this role, I just want to clear two important terminologies: preset and clear. Okay, so what actually the preset simply is used to make this q is equal to 1. Okay, and clear is made to use this q is equal to 0. Okay, so and depends on the nature of the things. Okay, here this is called high active. So high active means whenever you will give 1, it will be terminate this way. If you give pre is equal to 1, so what actually happening, this is going to be 1. So whatever the value is there, 0 is there, then it will 1. If 1 is there, it will be 1 only. Okay, so preset means you will make the q forcefully 1. All right, and if you, since this is the high active means this will be activate when 1 is there as the input. But if you put 0, what will happen, it will cause no effect. Okay, if you give 0 in a, so it will be same whatever it is the stage output is there, it will remains constant. But come back to these points, in pre-state if you will give 1, it will be forcefully changed to 1, whether 0 or 1, it will be terminate at 1 only. Okay, and now this is called high active. Again come to this pre, what will the pre do, again this is the active low. Whenever 0 is come na, at that time it will put it at 1. Okay, output is going to be 1 when preset is going to be 1. So depends on the need and the design of the circuit, we will set whether it is the high active or low active. All right, the same thing is the clear. Clear is used to make 0, preset is used to make 1, and clear is make to 0. Okay, if you put high, okay, clear input 1, so what will happen, this is going to be 0. If you clear, this is the low active, if you put 0, so what will happen, this will become 0. So you got it, all these points. So these are the two important, this is called preset and clear. So in the different circuit, if you use in the synchronous as well as in asynchronous, okay, it has to play a very important role, crucial role, because if we want to terminate in between. Okay, so practically I have explained this one in the beginning of the this sequential circuits. I have explained how you will make the flip flop, practical flip flop. So what will happen to make a preset and clear in that particular circuit, you have to put simply two inputs over here. This is preset, this is the low active circuit I have make there. So clear, this is the low active. So what will happen when, keep in mind that you can't put all, suppose you want to give pre one and clear one at the same time. No, it is not possible. Don't do the blunders. Okay, if you, because preset will force it to make it 1, clear is force it to make it 0, which is not possible. All right, now come back to this preset, both are the low active circuits are there. So what will happen if you give 0 at the preset, so what will happen, whatsoever it is in there, then it is going to 1 here. Okay, so if 1 is there, this is going to be definitely 0, because both are the complementary part. Again, if you put again 0 here, clear, because low active is there, so whatever it is inputs are coming now, it will make forcefully 1, because NAND gate is there. Okay, 0, and by taking the this not of this 0, you are getting high. 1 is you will get over here. If 1 is there, definitely 0 is there. So if you put clear, then this is going to be 0. If you put this preset, okay, 0, then this is going to be 1. See, these are the low circuits. So I have tell you what is the inside of the circuit. Okay, inside the circuit, what is there. All right, now come back to this. I have given one example. I have taken these 4 circuits. Okay, you can see here, by seeing what you can conclude that this circuit is a asynchronous circuit. This is the asynchronous circuit. So what actually happening in this circuit, in asynchronous circuits, because this circuit is running on some other clock pulse, this circuit is running on some other clock pulse, this is running on some other clock pulse, because they are dependent on each other. This circuit is designed like that. Whatever the clock pulse coming from there, that will be drive this one. Whatever the clock pulse coming from there, this will be drive this one. So this is the asynchronous. If all are running at the same frequency, then it is synchronous. All right, so what will happen, what I did now, I simply put the output of these all 4, and I will put some logic gate over here, and I will the output of this logic gate I will set as a low active clear. Here low active clear, I want low active clear. So what will happen if 0 is there, what will happen, it will be reset the entire circuit by 0 0 0 0 at the output. All right, so if I will ask you to design a mod 11, so what will happen for mod 11, what is there, because this is, you know that in the asynchronous circuit, whenever the external clock pulse is drive, this is the LSB and this is the MSB. Okay, so this is the MSB, this is the LSB. So what is there, 11 is 1 0 1 1. Okay, so 1 0 1 1, it should be like that. If it is there, then at the same time this is going to be clear, again it should be 0 0 0. All right, if I ask you, so you can design by making the logic gates, different logic gates you can make. So you can use this one, okay, mod 11. All right, if you ask, this is the mod 11, so what will have to you do, if you use NAND gate, so NAND gate, when it will give 0, when whatever the input is coming from back side, it is 1. From input, whatever the inputs are there, if you put 1, all are 1, then what will happen, this will provide 0. If any one of them gets 0, what will happen, this is going to be 1, and this will be reset only when this output is going to be 0. So to make this output 0, we have to make 1 1 1, all of them. Okay, so in this way you can design. So how you will make, this is 1 0 1 1. Okay, in this way you can design. This is the midterm. From max term, you can use also OR gate, not this one, NAND gate. You can make also NOR gate. I am using the NOR gate. So how you can do that? Simply you have to, if you want to want 0 here, what you have to do, you have to make it 0 here only, because low active circuit is there. To make it 0, what will happen, if because OR gate is there, so everyone should be 0. So what will happen, so NOT gate should be, because 1 0 1 1 you should have to begin. This is considered as the Q4 and this is the Q0, Q3, this is Q0, Q3 Q0. So what will happen, you will put NOT gate. So what will happen, whenever this 1 0 1 1 will come at the same time, this is going to be 0, 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 and all zeros give you 0 only. And at the same time, what will happen, this is going to be clear. All right, so hope you will understand the role of this preset and clear. So my today's lecture, my opinion was that I just want to clear you how it is going to be helpful for us. Now again, I am giving you one question to do yourself. Just have a look of this one, okay, and just tell me what is the answer and write it down in the comment section. In the very next lecture, not only I will solve this problem, I will give you a very wonderful concept regarding this question, which is associated with this question. I will explain you what is synchronous clear and what is asynchronous clear. Both things I will clear in the next lecture. Hope within 2 or 3 lectures you will be the master of this concept. Thank you.